In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for finance and operations teams. We'll walk through a practical setup you can use to organize requests, approvals, deadlines, and day-to-day operational work inside Jira. The goal here is to make finance and operations processes more visible, more consistent, and much easier to manage. To get started, log into Jira and open the Projects menu, then click Create Project. From here, choose the project type that fits the way your team works. Jira Work Management is a strong option for general business tasks, while Jira Service Management is better if your team handles requests, support-style workflows, or intake from other departments. After that, select a template such as Business Project or Service Request Management, enter your project name, and click Create. Once the project is ready, go into Project Settings and select Issue Types. This is where you define the kinds of work your finance or operations team will track. You can create or use issue types like Budget Request, Purchase Request, Invoice Review, Expense Approval, Vendor Request, Process Improvement, and Operations Task. Setting these up clearly helps your team categorize work correctly from the start and makes reporting much more useful later on. Next, start creating business requests. Click Create, choose the appropriate issue type, and fill in the key details. Add a clear request title, a useful description, the department involved, the priority, the due date, and any attachments that support the request. For example, you might create a request called Approve Software Purchase, mark it as high priority, and set the due date for the end of the month. The more complete the request is at this stage, the smoother the review process will be. After that, set up your approval workflows. Go to Project Settings, then Workflows, and add the approval steps your team needs. Common statuses include Submitted, Under Review, Approved, Rejected, and Completed. Make sure each step has clear approval responsibilities so everyone knows who owns the next action. When the workflow looks right, publish it. Now open your Jira board and use it to manage tasks visually. Create columns such as New Requests, Reviewing, In Progress, Waiting for Approval, and Completed. As work moves forward, drag tasks across the board so the current status is always easy to understand at a glance. To stay on top of budgets and deadlines, open each finance or operations issue and add due dates, labels, components, and any custom fields your team needs. Then use filters to quickly find overdue requests, pending approvals, or high priority tasks. Finally, automate routine processes by going to Project Settings and selecting Automation. Create rules to notify managers when approval is needed, assign requests to the correct team, update statuses after approval, and send reminders for overdue tasks. This saves time, reduces manual follow-up, and keeps important work moving.